Hello again. In this lesson, we will learn the fundamentals of the Base 10 numbering system. The Base 10 system is our everyday number system. The Base 10 number system is known as the decimal system and has 10 digits to show all numbers. Using place value and a decimal point to separate whole numbers from decimal fractions. Here's an example. In this example, we show that there is a decimal point in the center. To the right of the decimal point, we have tenths, hundreds, thousands, and 10,000s. To the left of the decimal point, we have ones, tens, hundreds, and thousands. Each place is 10 times larger than the place to its right. So let's get started. In Microsoft PowerPoint, open up the file entitled Base 10 Blocks Intro. And you will see that we have the building blocks for the Base 10 numbering system. In this particular lesson, we will label these blocks so that we have a better understanding. The green block here on the left is a unit, and a unit represents one block. So let's label this. Click on Insert and then click Text Box. And just over the unit block, click your left mouse button and type the word unit. Now place your mouse cursor directly on the invisible line around the text box so it turns to a set of arrows. Hold down your left mouse button and move it just above the block. So now we know that one unit or one block is equal to one unit. So to the right we have the blue blocks, and these blocks are called a rod because a rod is made up of 10 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's go ahead and label that. Click Insert, Text Box, and click just over the rod and type in the word rod. And if you need to, you can use your mouse cursor and your left mouse button and drag it into place. Very cool. To the right of the rod we have these orange blocks, and these blocks is actually 100 of these blocks, and they are known as a flat because a flat consists of 10 rods. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's label that. Let's click Insert, Text Box, click just over the flat, and type in the word flat. And over to the right of the flat, we have this massive looking red box. This red box is called a 1000 block because it actually contains 1,000 blocks. Very cool. And a 1000 block consists of 10 flats. As you can see here, they're sort of all stacked on top of each other. So let's go ahead and label our 1000 block. Click Insert, Text Box, and type in 1000. Whoops. last but not least, we have this little sphere down here. Well, this sphere is going to act as our decimal point, because remember, in our example, using the base 10 system, it's divided into whole numbers and decimal fractions, and we will need a decimal point to illustrate that, so that's why we will be using our sphere. So let's go ahead and label that. Insert text box, and over the sphere, let's type in decimal point, and I'm going to move it just to make it look good here. There we go. Super. So now let's review. We have a unit that consists of one block. We have the rod that consists of 10 units. Then we have the flat that consists of 10 rods. And then we have the 1000 block that consists of 10 flats. And of course down here we have our decimal point. Hence the word 10. 10 units, 10 rods, 10 flats. And this is base 10. In our next lessons, we will use these base 10 blocks to solve mathematical equations. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.